Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abidal. So in this video, I would like to give you a tutorial about the code in the micro. Okay, so you guys may be asking, what about the how to make a car with the avoid distance in the front? So now I have an answer. I can make you tutorial how to give code to these microbots to avoid a distance. So if you guys can watch video, then don't forget to like it and share it. Okay, we get started now. The first thing you must do is you have to you must have this microbots, and then the others you must have this one too. The name is tiny bots, but but I but I always call it microbots. Yeah, just got microbots. And then this one, you guys can unboxing and then buy it for the 500,000 rupiah in Indonesian rupiah or dollar. I don't know. So you guys must have this first for following this story. If you guys don't have it, yeah, just word knowledge. The first that you must do is go to this website and then make a new project and then give a name for a I already make it for microbot project and then now for the topic. And then always before we we go to the tutorial, I give it the extension in the description below. If you guys have this microbot and then this microbot, you guys must to have this extension to make the microbot is working. And the link is let me guys. The link. Okay, wait a minute. A minute. Oh, hell no. Okay, so now I have the extension, so I have here. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I haven't paused before because I don't have the link for the extension. So now I have a link, and this is the link. So maybe you guys can copy it in the description below. So we're looking for it. It's tiny bit extension from Yahoo. Tiny bit. Again, we get extensions. Okay, so it's already have it. We get tiny bits extension. So the first that we need to do is just get show LUTs in the on starts block code, and then I'm gonna this F. It's been filed. Yeah, it's running. Of course. And then we're gonna make the variable name in Indonesian jarak. You guys can use your own name. So Indonesian bahasa. So I just gonna use the English, okay? Distance, or maybe Indonesian jarak, and okay. And then you gotta take this code, set the block code, set distance to the tiny bit, then choose this one, ultrasonic return distance, and then you gotta go to logic menu, and then take the if, then with else, and then go to the logic again, and then drag this code to here, and then take the variables again, distance, yeah, give the centimeter that you guys needed for the distance of this microbot to the to avoid it. Yeah, maybe this bag when this microbot see this bag, you will go to the right, spin to right way, right side, right way, and then go again. So that you can avoid the things. And then yeah, give the side, go to the side menu, and then give this one, uh, control speed, control. Okay, and then change the what is it? Change the menu to the back speed 18. Like before, make this is on you guys, but I want to choose 30 centimeter, and then go to the basics again, and then drag this one, duplicate, just duplicate it, go to the speed, change to the spin right, and then change this to the 100, and then duplicate it again, the pause, the code, and then the last one, oh no, there's no last for the make it beautiful, and then this one, go to the tiny bit again, or maybe you guys can duplicate it from here, as you can duplicate it, and then change it to the run for the maybe 150 50 150 50 50 per second of hour. And then this is the last one. You guys can make it beautiful by using, maybe by turn on this LED, or maybe this right light. It's on you guys. What did you going to choose? I'm gonna choose a tiny bit, and then take this, or maybe drag this block code to the other forever, and then change it to green. I like, because I'm a green guy. I like green. The point, I like green. Okay. Ah, okay. Next, we got download it. Don't forget to connect this microbit to your laptop, and then go. Go to this one. Go to the downloads, and there it is. Gotta drag it to the microbit documents. No documents. Documents. Minute. Okay. This is still loading, and then now we're gonna see the results. I give you the results. You guys want to connect it in here like this. Here. See it? There's and the hole in here is for the micro. You guys can connect it like this. Yeah, like this. And then turn on this one. I don't forget, if you guys not connect this one, this battery yet, you guys have to connect. And then make it on. This already. Yeah. The wheel already got moved, and then now we can see the. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I must take something. Okay. Gonna use this bag, this mouse, and then what? Yeah, I mean just that. That's it. And then this mouse too. This mouse. You gotta make it. You guys can see it here. But guys, you go to the IBS. Okay. You can see it here. You do this one in here. Okay. And then this laptop too. He can avoid this. Okay. We gotta turn it on it. Like this. That's it. Wait, let me see the code. Okay. It's already. But why? Omega. What again? Okay. This one. You can see it. Kind of like this one. Go. Like this. You guys can see it. He get blocked, and then he must avoid it. Okay, the code is on, and then the code is active. Okay, you can see it. And then this LED, or maybe this light, is on too. Yeah, you guys can see it. This already on, and then yeah, it's on. You can avoid it. Uh, he can move it. He can move everywhere and every time. But don't forget to turn off this one if you don't use again, and then pull the battery out to make your battery is in an initial hemat. Yeah, maybe. Okay, maybe that's all about me. I'm sorry. Maybe that's all about my health. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken words. Okay, that's what I'm to say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, next video. Bye.